In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add your Google Drive app on your PC. So this is the Google Drive web, and let me go to my desktop. As you can see, I have my two Google Drives linked to my PC. So you want to go to your browser and search for Google Drive download. So you're going to select the Google download, the link, then select download, and then select download drive for desktop, and then install the application. Now mine is already installed, so if I search for Google Drive, once it's installed, open the Google Drive, then it's going to ask you to log in, right? In my case, I can go ahead and add another account. So if I select MR Versity, it will log me in. And then when I go to my PC, I'll see my Google Drive shown here. And that's basically it. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.